Hi there, we are from Team 8. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the working of our project. Our project is making a programming language. The name of our programming language is Furious. My name is Nabil. For the next few minutes, we will be demonstrating how the language works and the grammar and the semantics used in building this language.
Hello, my name is Yan Song Pen, and I have created the initial grammar for this project, and I have write a parse tree and evaluation, and the semantics for the grammar. Thank you.
Going forward with the presentation, starting with introduction, the general overview of presentation is the grammar include for the language, lexical analyzer, parser, semantics, as well as sample programs with output. Moving on to language design flow, the language is designed in a way which start with source code which is sent to the lexer as an input. The lexer converts the source code into tokens which is sent to the parser. The parser, depending upon the grammar used in the language, generate parse tree. The parse tree is sent to semantics. Semantics is the environment which is given to get an output as needed. The semantics output is sent to the output which generates the output of the program as needed. Now the next is the grammar of the programming language. Program consists of block. Block depends on declaration and commands. Declaration takes form of boolean or integer. We have used while and if else print statements are part of commands. Then we have integers from a to z, numbers from 0 to 9, and we have used assignment operator to assign the values to it. For condition statement, we have used if else statement. For loops, we have used while statement, and for string, we have form in quotes containing x values, and then we have for integer values we have 0 to 9. And moving on to the next, we have lexical analyzer and parser. The input program file starts with a start dot for that generates a list of tokens and eliminates space, tabs and new lines, everything, and generates the list of token. That list of token is sent to the parser. In the initialization phase, we have for lexical analyzer and parser, tokens are generated and sent to the parser. The parser converts this into syntactic form according to the grammar that we have defined. The grammar rules we have used. The parser follows the grammar rules and generates the syntax tree. It passes in a top-down fashion. The syntax tree that is generated by the parser is as it looks like this one. The key features of the language include the language is simple and compiler based. Data types, we have integer and boolean. As an arithmetic operators, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For decision control statement, we have used if else. For looping construct, we have used while. Comparison operators include equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, and it is developed in Prolog. Prolog is used to generate token. as well as Prolog is used to generate syntax trees, semantics, for final evaluation. Prolog is also used as an interpreter. For interpreter, because it is possible to directly access program code in Prolog, it is easy to write interpreter of Prolog in Prolog. These type of interpreter are also called meta interpreter. Meta interpreter usually add some extra features to Prolog, like change in built-in negation as failure to constructive negation, and these are the features of interpreter. Interpreter is defined for the generated syntax tree using Prolog. Um, the main predicate defines a lookup, update, add env, evade. These are the main predicate that are defined in an interpreter. There are multiple eval predicates which are mapped with each predicate of the parse tree individually. The final environment generated from the interpreter holds the variable value pairs. That value pair is sent as an output.txt file after running the code from the Prolog editor. Next is parser. Prolog has the capacity to load DCG rules and automatically convert them to Prolog parsing rule. This is used in this Prolog parser also. A tree is generated by running the code. These code is both in the project structure, in compiler as well as runtime. The next is the steps needed to run the project. First of all, we need to download the project, extract the project from zip to unzip it. Then the next is to run the install.bat file. After running install.bat file, it will show the option to install Prolog. If Prolog is already installed, then it will show the option to open Prolog. After the Prolog is open, the following command, writing the following command will run the sample file, like main inside brackets the name of the file, comma, output. This will, after running this in Prolog editor, this sample file, the output of this sample file is saved in output.txt file at the same location where this file is, where this fur.pl file is saved. At the same location, the output file is also saved. Running multiple files will overwrite it. So after running one file, need to see the output, so the output is not lost. Next are the steps to run the project. The program should be saved as a .fur file. In C Prolog, we write the following execution query, like main sample number file name, which is, these file names should be saved at the location where the fur.pl file is saved. In the project structure, by default it is saved inside the compiler. By default it is saved inside the compiler. Next is to run the project. First we go to the GitHub, we extract it. After extracting, it will be saved to the folder on the desktop. After unzipping it, inside the folder, the first file is install.bat. and after running it, it will open that prologue option. After running prologue, it will press any key to continue. When pressing any key to continue, it will open the prologue option. To open it, the prologue editor will be open. When the prologue editor will be open, running the sample file from this steps to run to, when copy pasting it, or you can type it, it will run the output of the program. This output will be saved in output.txt file also. That output.txt file can be viewed. Now this is the output after running query in the Sui prologue. The pass tree is generated for each. The structure of the program is start with begin and end with end. This is the general structure we are given in the for the program. For any Furious program, it should start with begin and end with end, and in between it should have data types, integers, and we have also used samples for while operator, if and else operator. To conclude this, we began with a team of 4. Since one of the team member did not responded, choose not to contribute to the project, we are a team of 3, so we have been more limited in our resources for this project than a team of 4. We have included his name in our documentation, but technically he did not participate, although we attempt to contact, include in planning, but don't know any details, so can't speak much. So Furious is a simple and compiler based programming language developed in Prolog. Source code is converted to token, that to pass tree by parser sent to interpreter generates environment that holds values are sent to output file. It has future scope also. The language can be extended and more operations and more features can be added, and can be made applicable to the language. So this is all about Furious programming language. Thank you very much for your time and giving the opportunity to work on this project. It was very interesting to learn a method to write a new programming language, and we hope to use this feature in lot of our practical work. Thank you.